Hi guys, welcome to Homestead Kitchen Living. This week I have something very easy to make. It's actually a casserole dish. I like chicken, I like broccoli, and I like cheese. So I put them all together to make what I call an easy, cheesy chicken broccoli casserole dish. What's nice about it is it's flexible. If you don't like the cheese, you can add a little less cheese. If you like more broccoli, you can add a little more broccoli. You can adjust this to suit your taste and your needs accordingly. So, while I have your attention, I just want to make a request to you. If you have a video idea or a recipe idea you'd like me to try, feel free to drop it down in the comment section below. Let me know. I'd love to try it for you. Alright? So if you want to see how to make this easy, cheesy chicken broccoli casserole, follow me along. My God, what did you eat? Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Just remember, when the going gets tough, the tough find something to eat. The best way to do that is to cook it yourself. Homestead Kitchen Living, making cooking fun again. Please remember to like, subscribe, share it with a friend. Thanks again for watching.